First of all, if you want to work with regex, you have to import regex. This is a regex module. You have to import it first, then you can able to work with this RE module. In this regex, you will find a set of functions like search, find all, split, and sub. These are the main functions where we generally use in regex. Okay, and also we have some meta characters, some special characters, and also some sets. I'll explain you one by one, and also I'll show you some basic programs. Okay, I'll explain you some basic program. First of all, let's discuss about find all. Find all is nothing but finding some sequence in a statement. For example, I have a statement called I am for example, I have Python. Python is I have some statement like this. Now, by using find all, I'll find some letters. I mean, I want to find ON. I want to find ON is there in my statement or not. So what I'll use x is equal to re dot. You will find methods like split, match, sub, find all, like that. Let's try to discuss about find all first. Find all. You have to give the required word or letters here. For example, I want to give about ON. In where, from where you are going to check this whether it is there or not. That is from statement. Now and print this x. Let's see the output. You will find you have 2 times ON. Okay. For example, I need IN also 2 times, where here and here. Okay. If you want to find a word, how many times it has repeated? 2 times. Okay. And now if you want to now I'll use same search here. What will search do here? Let's see. Search. Okay. Search will find the first match in the statement. Okay. For example, I have my first match at 14th index point to 20th index point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, you will get 14th index point at P and 20th index point at N after N. Okay, because it will not consider 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so 20 will be here. So it will not consider upper bound. So up to 19. Okay, Python it will search, will find the first sequence of your statement. Okay, I'll show you with an example what is the difference between find all and search in real time. How we use in real time also I'll show you with a small program. But before that, you should have some clarity on the basic topics in our in regex. Okay, and we'll use split. Okay, let's see what is split here. Split is in the word itself, we can able to understand that split is nothing but dividing. Strip is nothing but combining. Here what is happening here? learning. It has removed Python. Instead of Python, has given some empty space. For example, I'll give it is a meta character is used to divide uh, all the all the uh, words in program with space. Okay, it will divide and it will store in the form of list. The working principle of split is nothing but uh, as I have used this slash s is nothing but a white space. It will split all the words with a white space. That's it. Okay. Now let's go with sub. Is you sub. Okay. Just when I using sub, it is showing something. Pattern, REPL, string, count, flag. Okay, it has shown some. Okay, pattern is nothing but I think this is the pattern, and in the middle it has given something, and string REPL, and at the end string is nothing but our statement. So in the middle you have to give something. Okay, leave it. Okay, it is not much important. These three are mostly we use in our programs. Pattern is nothing but whatever the thing you are going to use, and REPL is nothing but replace. Okay, I want to replace my space with some other character, and this is the statement I am giving here. Now I'll use some uh, I'll use some hi like that. Let's see the output. Okay, okay, sorry, SUB sub is nothing but replacing. Okay, I have replaced my space with HI. If you are getting confused, I'll replace it with star. Yeah, I have replaced my space with star. If you want to replace any word with another word, for example, I have Python, right? In place of Python, I'll use some Java. Your statement will change from I am learning Java, and Java is a programming language. Okay, these are the four main functions we use in our regex module generally. Okay, we have many more inbuilts, but these are very important, which are generally asked in interviews also. Okay, now let's do. I said I'll explain you with an example, right? I'll show you. Difference between search and find all. Do you have any doubts in these four functions?
No, sir.
First of all, you have to report RE. No. I will give a statement like I'll give a statement like uh, give delivery at 72 pin code if not available, deliver at 500085 pin code. I have two pin codes in my statement. Okay, I want to give a delivery at the first pin code. If the person is not available at that pin code, he has to go for the second one. Okay, search. Here you have to take R. R is nothing but statement you are going to pass. Slash D. You will have a meta. Slash D is nothing but digits, okay? Digits. Digits of how many digits you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 only. 6. I'll explain you this also, okay? Don't worry, I'll explain you this also. 6. Where from the above statement. If X, if this condition is satisfied, it will print deliver. Let's see the okay, deliver it because I found some 6 pin code and also if you want X dot group is nothing but the output. Okay, you will have something I have given 9th line. Yeah. Search have given the first occurrence of my 6-digit number. If I have only 5 digits in my first occurrence, then it will go to the second occurrence. Okay. If this condition is not satisfied, then it will go here. Okay. Search will do this one. If I use find all, let's see what will happen. Find all will give all the occurrences. Okay. So it will not have any group here. In view. You will have all the occurrences. Okay, that is the difference between search and find all. Search will only show the first occurrence and find all will give all the occurrences. Okay, and let's go with some examples like I want to find some valid mobile number. Okay, some valid mobile number. According to India, the valid mobile number will be start from 6, 7, 8 or 9. 6 or 6, 7, 8 or 9, and you will have 10 digits. Okay, that is called as valid mobile number. Let's see. I'll try to find valid. Well, you have to give some mobile number here. Now I'll pass the pattern here. Here R is nothing but the pattern what we are going to give, and in this course you have to give the pattern. Okay, and this you'll have cap here. Let's give it. Not pending. Yeah, I found it. Yeah. Cap is nothing but the starting word. Okay, for example, if you have just to check the starting word, okay, just to check the starting word is that or not. And dollar symbol is nothing but ending word. For example, you have a statement like I am learning Python. So I, and if you use space, and if you give Python here, it is a valid statement. Okay, this your statement is started with I and ended with Python. Okay, there is not these dollar and cap will shows the starting and ending uh, words of your statement. Okay, but here that is not my point. Here my point is whether my number is starting with my 6, 7, 8 or 9. I want to check that. To check that, simply you can give 6, 7, 8, 9. You can give four digits in this set. Okay, in this set. A set is nothing but this list. Okay, now slash d is nothing but digits, represents digits, and whatever the things you are giving in curly braces is the occurrences, how many times it has to be repeated. For example, if you give 9 here, it should so that it means it should have 9 numbers. Okay, it will count this sequence as one number and this sequence as another number. If you use we can also okay 6, it will take only 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, and here it will take 9 numbers. That is the meaning of this pattern. I will return array dot. I'll take full match of full match is nothing but it is matching the entire pattern or not. This number. I'll give some number here 963. It is a valid, and as I have written equal to. I got some expected string or bytes like object got. Okay, I got 10 and my match is like this. Okay, and then if I give 11 numbers, I'm getting none. So it is somewhat confusing. If I give a valid number, it should return true. If not, it should return false. I will write like that. To write like that, there is simply you can give a bool here. Now it will return true or false. That's it. It is true because my phone number is valid. If I give only 9 numbers, you will get false. Okay. If your number start with 5, you have 10 numbers, and if your number start with 5, you will get, again you got false here. If I give 6, you will get true. Okay, here you have to give all the numbers. It is not, it is just saying any of either 6, 7, 8 or 9. That is what the meaning of this pattern, and not it should don't get confused. Okay, don't get confused. Now let's go with another program. Okay, I'll show you some complex program that is to find date, so that you'll have some more clarity. Date. Okay. I have to pass a validate. It should contain, uh, it should follow the pattern like date hyphen month hyphen year. Month like in digits only, month number. I mean, if it is today, if it is today 28 hyphen 03 hyphen 2025, it should follow this pattern. Okay, let's see that pattern first. Okay, how to create that pattern. Date, date, uh, validate, validate, and I'll take some input as date here. Now I'll pass the pattern here. Now it should have some, it should start with some date, right? So I have to give cap here, and it should end with something. So I will write the pattern in between these starting and ending points. Now my date should start with some numbers here. So what I'll do is, my dates will be from uh, 1 to 31, right? You will have only the dates from 1 to 31. So here you can't keep the limit directly, as in as we know in Python we can give uh, n is less than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to. You can keep in the middle. You can keep the n in the middle, and you can give some conditions from 1 to 31, so that you can get directly. But here in regular expressions, you should follow some patterns. I'll show you. 0, 1, 2, 9 is nothing but 0 to 9. 0, 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 7, 0, 8, 0, 9. You will get like that. Okay. We got days from only 0 to 9. And here I am keeping a delimiter. Now, from I got values from 0 to 9. Now I should get values from 9, 10 to 29, because you will not have 30, 30, 31, 32, 33. So you will have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like that. And in twos also you will find all series from 1 to 9. Okay, don't get confused. After this you will get some clarity in this. If you use 1, 0 to 9, you can also use like that. 2, 0 to 9. Here, instead of writing this, I can directly write like this. So there is no need of this one, because if I use one of 0 to 9, you will get 10, 11, 12 to 19. If you use 2 of 0 to 9, you will get 20 to 29. Okay. So if you combine, if you want to combine both of them, you have to combine like this. 12 from 12 of 0 to 9 is nothing but one. It will take 1 with this combination and 2 with this combination. Okay, you will get from 10 to 29. Okay, now you have 30 and 31, the last one. Can you tell me how you can get 30 and 31? 30 and 31. Do you have any idea on how to get 30 and 31? Only 30 and 31, not 32, 35 or 36. If you want to get like that, you have to use 3 of 0 to 5. Then you will get 30 to 35. Okay. If you have only 2 letters like this, you can use directly without combining. If you want to get up to 3, then you have to use like this. Okay. So what I will do is 3 of 0, 1, 30 and 31. Okay. 30 and 31. That's it. This is one pair. To get a single date from 1 to 31, you have to write this much code. Okay. Will be little you will have some confusion here, but no worries. You will come to understand it. Okay. When you try to do on your own, you will get how to do that. Okay. I have done with my date now. Now coming to month. Can you tell me how can we do the month here? You have only 12 months, right? Only you have 12 months. How can you do that? I need values from 1 to 12. That's it. I have done 1 to 31. Try to tell me how to do 1 to 12. That's it. Can you try it? It's very easy. First, we have to find as you can see here. If you want to get first 9 numbers, you have to use the same format, 0 of 1 to 9. And if you want to get the other numbers, I'll show you how to do that. 0 of 1 to 9. And the remaining one is 10, 11, 12. Okay, 10, 11, 12. To get the starting number is 1. And if you want to get 10, you have to start with 0. You have 11. You have 12. Instead of using this, you can use directly as 0 to 2. Okay, you will get 10, 11, 12. Okay, have done with months also. No, hyphen. Now you to get year, you have to do a long process. So instead of I want to take any of the year from, but it should contain four digits. We know how to find how to validate, how to check digits by using /d. And if you want to find sequence of 4 or 10 letters, you have to give in curly braces, and you can pass 4, so that you will get 4 digits in that pattern. Now I'll return pool of dot match this pattern with my date. Now I'll call this date here as 35, 15. Oh, I'm getting some error. Oh, sorry, I have to place it in string, because here I have taken string now. That's why you have to take it in string. you will get false because it is not a valid date, because no month will have 35 days, no year will have 15 months, and no year will be of two digits. Okay, now I'll give a valid date 29 12 1997. Oh, even though you got false here, let's check. Something went wrong here. Thank you. 10:08. Digits. Okay. I should get correct answer here. Let's see. This is my pattern. Started with date only. Yeah. Three, zero, two. Oh, sorry. Here I have to place this delimiter. I forgot to place this. Uh, yeah. Okay. You will get true now. Okay. Because these two are different. These two digits are different. So I'm getting that error. Now if I give 29 12 9997, again you will get true. For example, you have a date like 4th April. Okay, let's take today's date only, 28 and 3 2025. You will get false because it is not satisfied, because you have to pass two digits here, 03. Then you will get true. Okay, this is how generally we use patterns format like this. Okay, and also we have different types of meta characters, but these are required for you. Okay, if you want me to explain another example, I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you an email validation here. In that, alphabets will get covered, so I want to tell that. Okay, now def email. I'll take email as my argument here. Now I'll pass a pattern. You can use any variable. Okay, just to understand, I am taking a clear word here. You can take x, y, z, or whatever it is. Okay, now you have to pass the pattern r, and it should start with something and end with some. You have to keep in mind, like cap is starting and dollar is ending. That's it. Okay, in the middle you have to give the uh, pattern. Okay, now uh, we know how emails will be. Emails will have some name at the rate some gmail.com. You can use any of the special characters in your email also. For example, it can take small letters from A to Z and capital letters A to Z. And for example, I want to take a valid email like fratello@gmail.com. fratello123@gmail. I want to take this as my uh, valid email. Okay, so now I'll try to write pattern for this email. Okay, for this email it has small letters from A to Z, some random letters, and also it has capital letters. So I am taking both, and it has some digits also. So I'll take digits from 0 to 9, or else I will take underscore. So you have to place underscore also. If it supports brackets, you can give brackets. If it supports dollar, you can give dollar directly. If it supports cap, you can give cap directly. Okay, so I want to give a valid email, so I'm just using some special character called underscore now, plus it will take at the rate, right, at the rate of gmail.com, right? So here what I'll do is at the rate Gmail, Yahoo. So it will take A to Z and A to Z. Okay, small letters and capital letters, plus uh, dot com. Dot com. Com means A to Z. Okay. I'll use dot directly here by using dot like this, and com is nothing but A to Z, and you can also give capital, so I'm taking A to Z dot com. Okay, if we have any issues, let's try to solve it again. Okay, return of dot. You can also use match here, no problem. Match pattern theme. Print. Yeah, let's see whether it is will get true. Okay, I got false. Let's see what's the issue here. Just give me a minute. Email I have given starting with yeah, Fratello underscore 123. So as up to here. Okay. And at the rate rate, and this is Gmail and dot and this com, right? Okay. take a dot also. The thing did I is the thing I have done something. I have to take all the capital letters. No, I have taken A capital and Z as small. That's why I'm getting some error here. So and I'm getting the wrong. Okay. You will have some. I think you will have some minor mistake in our program. E to Z, E to Z, 0 to 9. Plus at the rate and is the Gmail Gmail. So all the characters of it. And then where I have to use plus. Okay, I got two now. Okay, our email got matched here. I'll give something in my at the rate. Where is my at the rate? Okay, at the rate 2 Gmail, some 2 in between my Gmail. So I am getting false here. If I add 0 to 9 here, I'll get true. Okay, because my pattern is valid here, but it's not the right way. Okay, this is how you can give valid. If I give hyphen here, you will get invalid because we have only given permission for underscore. Okay, this is how you can do RE rejects in Python. Okay, and here and also we have used match here, and before we have used some full match. Full match will match each and everything uh, in the pattern, but here match will match is somewhat it will not match each and everything here. Okay, it will take one capital F directly, so and some letters and hyphen 1 2 3 like that. Okay, but in full match you have to give particular date like 2 and 8. Okay, if you are getting confused between match and full match, I'll explain you in another program also. Just give me. Yeah, it will match at the full match will match starting and ending of all the nothing, but you can keep in mind like match will match full match will match each and every particular data from starting to ending, but match will not do like that. Okay, you can here also we are not using any delimiters here, but we are using delimiters here. Okay, while using full match we are using delimiters. In match you will not use any delimiter. Okay, do you have any doubts? You will get little confused, but try to do the same. Try to do another different patterns like hall ticket numbers or some registration numbers or some identification numbers. For example, some registration numbers will have uh, starting you will have some characters, and in the middle you will have 6 to 7 digits, and end you will have some for example, you will have some special characters like dollars or whatever it is. Try to do those examples so that you will get more clarity on these programs. Okay. Do you have any doubts? I will share you the recording class, the previous class and today's class also. Yeah. If you have any doubts, please ask me.
No, sir.
Yeah. And from the next class, we will try to discuss on question papers. We have completed all Python syllabus, and if there is any pending topic, I have covered all the topics. If I found any topic that is uh, uh, related to you, I'll explain it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's all about today's class. And before that, we'll have the next class on Tuesday. Okay, because Monday is Ramadan, so we have to celebrate, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And happy Ugadi and happy Ramzan for both of you.
Thank you.
Enjoy the celebrations. Okay.
Thank you.
Bye. Take
Bye.
care.
You too. Bye bye.
Okay. Thank you.